Formatting is what turns a raw grid of numbers into a professional, readable report. Good formatting makes data easier to scan, highlights what matters, and tells the reader this is finished work. Font formatting. On the Home tab, the font group lets you set font face and size, bold, italic, and underline, font color and cell fill color. Use bold for headers and totals. Keep body text in a single readable font. Calibri or Arial are the safest defaults. Cell colors and borders. Color and borders separate sections visually. Fill color shade header rows or KPI cells. For example, light blue for headers, light gray for input cells. Borders use all borders for tables and bottom border under totals. Avoid heavy use of color. 2-3 colors across the whole sheet is usually enough. Number formatting. Number formatting changes how a value is displayed without changing the value itself. Common formats. Currency, 1,250 pounds. Home number currency. Accounting aligns currency symbols and decimals neatly in columns. Percentage 12.5% multiplies display by 100. The stored value remains 0.125. Date 1, 3, 2025 or 1 mar 2025. Thousands separator 1,250,000 instead of 1250000. The shortcut Ctrl+1 opens the full Format Cells dialog where you can fine-tune any of these. Quick professional look. 3 small habits make any sheet look polished. Bold the header row and apply a fill color. Format all numbers with consistent decimals and 1,000 separator. Apply a single border style to the data table. Try this. Build a small sales table. Then apply bold headers with a colored fill. Currency formatting on price and total. All borders around the full table.